Hello class 10. Today we're going to start the next topic of user defined methods, that is function overloading. Okay. So what is a function overloading? Function overloading is the process of defining functions or methods with the same function names but with different numbers and types of parameters. It means within one class, within one program only, we'll have more than one function with the same function name, but the parameters what we write within the bracket will be different. Parameters will not be same. Okay, so this is called function overloading. So for example, like see over here we have four methods: int area, double area. So all these four methods can be used in one program only. But what is the difference? That the parameters are different. Like in the first int area, parameter is int s. Second int area, parameters are int l and int b. So here one parameter int type, here two parameters. So parameters are different. Then double area, double r, double area, int a, double b. Now what did you notice? In the first one there is only one parameter int s, and the third one also there is only one parameter r. But what is the difference? That in the first one the data type is int and the second one data type is double, and their return type also is different. Like in the first one return type is int and the third one return type is double. In the same way, check the second and fourth one. In the second one, return type is int and parameters are int l and int b. So what happens? And the last one, double area, one is int a, one is double b. So number of parameters are same, but their data types are different and return type is different. So this way we can say that all these four methods are having the same name, same function name, area, but with the different numbers and types of parameters. Their number of parameters and types of parameters are different. So that means their signatures are different. Function name with the parameters is called function signature. So signatures are different. So this is called function overloading. Java language facilitates designing a number of functions with the same name. However, their parametric types must be different. Their parameters must be different, and such functions are called overloaded function, and the process is said to be function overloading. This process is called function overloading. Okay, so it is a part of one of the elements of OOP, which I have taught you in chapter 1 in class 9, polymorphism. So it is the part of OOP. Oops. So polymorphism is the process of using a function for multiple purposes. Through function overloading, Java implements polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? It is a process of using one function, a function, for multiple purposes. So see, there are four functions here. All the four functions will do four different work, means more than one work, multiple purpose. And how the function overloading how the polymorphism is implemented. Polymorphism is implemented through function overloading. Remember this thing, this question was once asked in ICSE, that how the polymorphism is implemented in Java program. Polymorphism is implemented in a Java program through function overloading. Next topic is static binding or early binding. The computer finds the best match of the function arguments and the parameter list. So see, when we execute the program, compile the program, our compiler of the Java will find all these four methods different. How? Because their types and data type and number of parameters are different during the program compilation, and this is termed as static binding or early binding. Okay, this is called static binding or early binding. So just now what you have learned, that what is the function overloading? It is a process of defining functions or methods with the same function name but with different numbers and types of parameters. Means function name will be one only, more than one functions you will have on one program only, but there's function signature, their types of parameters and number of parameters will be different. Now let us see this programming example. Here is a question: write a program to find the area of rectangle, area of square and area of circle using function overloading. Do you all know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, area of square equal to side into side, and area of circle equal to pi r square. Okay, so we'll have three functions in one program only using the function overloading method. So let us see. First line, public class function overloading. Public int area int L int B. Return type is int. Method name is area. There are two parameters, int type L and B. In the body of the method, int AR area of rectangle equal to L into B, return AR. Now see the second method, public int area int S. In the first method name is area, second method name also area. Data type is int, return type is int. Here also return type is int. So what is the difference? In the first one there are two parameters, L and B, and in the second method only one parameter, S. So that their function signature is different. So int AS area of square equal to side into side, return AS. Now see the third function, to calculate the area of circle, public double area. So return type is double, method name area and parameter is double R. So see second and third only one parameter, but what is the difference? Their return type is int, here double, and here data type is int, here data type is double. So their data types are different, so they are different methods. So in this program we have used three methods, area, but their parameters are different. Okay, now let us write the main method. Main method is public static void main. Create the object, function overloading ob equal to new function overloading, int p equal to ob dot area 5, 7. The first area is called here. How can we say? Just now in static binding, what you notice that compiler invokes that function according to their number of parameters and data types of the parameters. So in int p equal to ob dot area, we are passing two integer value 5 and 7. The int. So which function is having int? First function. The first function will be executed, invoked. And 5 will be passed to L and 7 will be passed to B. The 5 into 7, 35. 35 is returned back to P and P stores 35. Okay. Now second one, int Q equal to ob dot area 9. Once again the area function is called, and this time one parameter is passed, one actual value is passed, that is the 9. It is also int type. So which method is matching? Second one, int S. Here also only one integer. The 9 is passed to S. Okay, so S value becomes 9. The int AS equal to S into S, 9 into 9, 81. Return AS, return 81 to Q. The Q has got 81. Now calling the third function, double R equal to ob dot area 7.8. In area, third one, double type, only one parameter is there, double type, so we are passing the double value 7.8. If you pass 7 only, so it will go to second method. Second method will be called once again. Okay, so we are passing 7.8. So this will go to the third method, double R will have value 7.8, and it calculates the area of a circle pi into 22/7 into 7.8 into 7.8, and value is returned back to R. Okay, now area of rectangle is calculated, printed P, area of square is printed Q, and area of circle is printed R. Now let us see the same program in Java. Function overloading. Already program is typed. Okay, same program. Till first method int L int B, second method int S, third method double R. First is calculating the area of rectangle, second calculates area of square, third calculates area of circle. Then creating the object OB, calling all the three methods, printing. Compile. No syntax error. Close. right click, void main, OK. And see the output. Area of rectangle equal to 35, area of a square equal to 81, area of circle equal to 182.5199 something. Alright, once again see, right click, void main, and OK, and output comes. If you want to execute call one by one all the three functions separately, then right click, click on the new function, click on the OK, object is created here, right click, see all the three functions are here, int area, int s, int area, int l, comma int b, double area, double r. So whichever function you want to execute, just click on that. The first one is asking to input value of s. Suppose I have given 7. Okay, see output came 49. 7 into 7, 49. Close. Now second one, int area l. Now see how many values it is asking to input, 2 value. So suppose giving 5 and giving 9. Int l 5, int b 9. Okay. What is here? Output 45. The same way, third one, double area, give the decimal value, suppose 7.99. Okay. And the output is 191.5203. So this way also we can execute it one by one all the methods. So this was our today's class, function overloading. Okay, so once again it is a process of defining functions or methods with the same function name but with different numbers and types of parameters. So please practice this all the programs, learn the definition and practice function overloading program. Thank you.